In this video, I will be showing you how to build a website in Kajabi. So Kajabi is a great place to do it because they have some very good looking templates for your website building. So I'll show you how to pick a template, how to customize this template, and how to actually launch your site. So the first step is of course to create your Kajabi account and sign in. If you haven't created your Kajabi account yet, you can do so with my referral link and you will get a 14-day free trial. I will leave this link down in the description. Now once you have created and signed into your account, what you want to do is click on website right here. Then here you will get 4 different options and you want to do the design option. So now you can pick a template to get started. So click on pick template. Now here you have the template store. So you can see that these are free and they also have paid ones, but you can just pick one of the free ones. So find the one that you like. So for this example, I will be using the Prosper template. So then you want to click on it and then click on get started. So here you can see a little preview and if you like it, click get started. So then it will be installing your new template. And now you will be able to get started with actually designing your website and customizing your template. So go ahead and click on customize right here. And that will take you into the site editor. So here you can see the template I picked. You can see the different parts. For example, you have a logo here, you have the background image, you have some text right here. And now you will want to change some of this. So for example, you want to change the background. So to do this, what you want to do is click on the background and then the section settings will pop up right here. So here you will now see the background image and you can pick a file, choose where you want to upload it from. So I will pick my device. So let's say I want this stock photo to be my background. Then you want to click on open. Then you can crop it and click save and then upload file. So now it's uploading it for you and it will change it to the background. So of course you will want to pick a higher quality background because you can see the pixels right here. Now as you can see, for example, this button kind of blends in with the background. So you will want to change some of this. So to actually change the specific colors and details or fonts of your website, you can just click on the part that you want to change. So for me, the get started button right here, you will see the button background color right here. So when you click on the color right here, you can pick a different color. So now as you can see, when I pick blue, it will change to blue and it's much better visible now. Now, for example, if I want to remove this part of text, I will click on edit here. Now scroll down to this part right here. So my step by step. So it's this part. You can just go ahead and remove this. And now as you can see, this is gone. Now you want to upload your own logo. So here you see the logo image, then click select image. And then you can select a recent file or upload a new file. So I will be uploading a new file. So then you will have changed the logo. Now, for example, if this is not true for you, for example, featured in Forbes, CNN, The Wall Street Journal, and PBS, then you will want to remove this. So you can click on edit here, then click on delete this block, and do the same for this one right here. So then this will be gone. Now, if you want to add in a different section right here, first I'm going to be removing this entire section. So then there will be no section right here. Then you can click on add section and you can pick one of these sections that they have right here. So let's say you want to add in a video, then you will want to find the video right here and open the video, click on add. And now as you can see, it's all the way down here. So then when you go back, you can see it's all the way down here, but we want it to be right here in between this right here and where would you like to start. So this is the hero and get started. So then you want to drag it up here. And now you can see it has been placed right here. Now if to actually add in your video, you can click on add video, then click my device or wherever you want to upload it from. And then you can go ahead and actually upload your video. So when you think you are done with your website, you can click on save and then preview it by clicking on preview. So now you will see what the website will look like for the people visiting. So you can see the background image we added, the logo, and when you click on get started, you can see where it will take you. So where would you like to start? For example, if they click on investing money in this template, it will take them to a different section of your website. So then you will have to create new pages to actually link to this button right here, and same for all of these if you have these buttons. So then when you scroll through your website and you are happy with how it looks, you can close this tab and then go back to the design right here. And now you will have created this website. Now we want to go to the site details right here. So here you can see the domain of your website. So here you can see the subdomain. you can see the title, the support email, support phone number, language, the text direction, the default currency, and you can see some more settings right here. So here you just want to click on manage domain, and then here you can change the domain of your website. So you can set up a custom domain if you would like to. So you can connect domain to Kajabi or create a subdomain for the Kajabi site. And when you open a website, let's preview the site. At the bottom of this Kajabi site, you will see this powered by Kajabi. If you want to remove this is also pretty simple, and this is also done in the site details. So you want to click site details, scroll down to the bottom. Then here you can see the Kajabi branding, display powered by Kajabi, turn this off and then click on save. So now when we refresh this page, scroll back to the bottom, you can see that the powered by Kajabi text is now gone. So now if you want to track, for example, the visitors of your website, you can go to analytics and then you can select any of the ones you see here. So for example, offers sold, opt-ins, page views, net revenue, subscription metrics, whatever you want. So I'll look at the page views. And then here you can see the views of your page. So in the website, this button right here should say live, so then you know that your website is currently live. So that is how to build a Kajabi website. Again, if you would like to try out Kajabi for free for 14 days, you can do so by clicking on the affiliate link down in the description and claiming your 14-day free trial. If this tutorial on building a Kajabi website was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.